Slide 38, Lesson 2, Numbers, Cardinals 11 to 19. And of course, we're not talking about representatives of the Catholic Church that vote for the Pope, not that sort of cardinal. It is a normal number as opposed to an ordinal, which just means first, second, third, and so forth. So, just as in English, we have 11 to 19. We have a very similar system in the Hebrew, but of course we have masculine and feminine versions of these numbers. And numbers like this are very important because there are many lists of people and battles and numbers of cities taken and people that live in them or that are killed with the sword, or that numbers of people that are counted for various reasons. And numbers are very important, and they are written down in the Hebrew using the words that we've already looked at. But when we get to 11 to 19, we simply add the word 10 to the word for 1, for example, and we make the word 11. So Echad Eser is 11. And there's a slightly different form of it. Aste Eser, 11 also. And for 12 we have Shanaim Eser, and we also have Shnei Eser. For 13, Shalosha Eser, and Arba'a Eser for 14. Arba'a Eser. 15 is Chamisha Eser, and 16 is Shisha Eser. 17 is Shiv'a Eser, and 18 is Shmona Eser, 18. And 19 is Tesha Eser. The hey, when it's added at the end, tends to lengthen it, so perhaps it's Tesha Eser. So that's the masculine versions of the numbers. So it's just like our English counting system. We would say 19. See, 9 and 10. 19, 9, 10. And here they have Tesha Eser. 9 and 10, 19. And we would say 18, 8 and 10. Shmona Eser. 18. And 17, and so forth, all the way back up to 11. The feminine numbers are the same sort of deal, just with the hey at the end. So we have Echad Esrei, or Aste Esrei, and for 12, Shetayim Esrei, or Shtei Esrei for 12. Shalosh Esrei for 13. Arba Esrei 14. Chamish Esrei 15. Shish Esrei 16. Shiva Esrei 17. Shmonei Esrei 18. And Tesha Esrei for 19. And of course, the reason we have the two different sorts of numbers, masculine and feminine, is because we may be counting things that are either male or female. Remember that things in Hebrew can be male and female. Door, house, car in modern Hebrew. You know, everything is male and female. Yahweh makes everything male and female. He made Adam and he made Eve. So everything is masculine and feminine. And that's part of the image of God. Male and female is the image of God. And we see this in every part of creation. And you see masculine and feminine in nature, even to the point of atoms, that they have electrons, which are negative, and they have protons, which are positive. We could just relabel that masculine and feminine. And we have neutrons, and you might say, aha, Or here's something that's either neither male nor female. Well, you'll find that within a neutron there's the masculine and feminine all in one, just like Adam, in a sense, had Eve in him and she was taken from his side. And so even science shows the masculine and feminine in nature, which is Yahweh's creation. So that's it for the cardinal numbers from 11 to 19. And they're used in many, many lists in the Tanakh, or Old Testament.